hindi para silang nanay, tatay nila. Actually, observe so I hope na talagang ang General Kagawad is very well performing this coming year. Okay? And of course, to head this dynamic Kagawad, of course, obviously you know who he is. A certified public accountant, a good citizen of Barangay Santa Lucia, a God-fearing person, ano pa? Parang gusto ko na paniwala. Ako, hindi, sabi ng mga supporters, a one-man woman heart. And the last, strikingly handsome. Okay, a very, very generous one. And now, by the power vested by the Comelec on me, I am proclaiming he gathered a vote of 3,755. May I call on Mr. Valentin
again, Mr. Valentin Casalena.
Okay, I'm giving him the second copy of the certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidate. Okay, to give a short message from him, I am going to give him the floor. Okay? Please listen to our newly elected barangay captain or kapitan.
Sa Comelec, sa inyo po lahat, sa mga nagwaging kagawad, sa inyo pong mga kasama namin